How to enable GPEDIT.MSC in Windows 11 home version. Select this PC. Select the three dots and click it, and select the option and click it. Select the view option and again click it. Uncheck the hide extension for known file type on. Click apply and OK. Now you have to come to the desktop again and right click on the desktop, select new and click. Select text document and open it. A notepad or text document will appear. You have to write here a specific script which I write. The script I will write on my description box from where you can copy it. Then click file and save the file. Now the file is new text document.txt is created on the desktop. Now you have to change the extension of the file .txt to .bat. Now after changing the extension .txt to .bat, the new file name is new text document.bat. It is now a batch file and you can execute to load GPEDIT.MSC on your machine. Now right click the batch file and click run as administrator. The GPEDIT.MSC package now loaded on your computer. After loading completely successfully, the option is come, press any key to continue. Press any key to continue.